I'm having some ground technical difficulties. I'm gonna have to make this work. Getting healthy and fit is definitely a choice. It is the most amazing, beautiful day today. Do a check-in. How are you feeling? Are you feeling stressed? Are you feeling anxiety? Are you feeling pissed, angry? Because I can definitely relate. That was me about 20 minutes ago. I was feeling angry. I was actually pissed. And here I am at the park because I'm learning to feel it for a few seconds, release it, and move on. And get in nature because it's going to help you get out of that state of anger. And release it because that's how you let go of it. And just for today, take that time to walk in nature if you can get outdoors. And don't just be on your phone talking or chatting. I know I'm on my phone recording. Be present. That is really the secret to being peaceful, is to be present. If you're not present, that anxiety is not going to leave your body. You're going to still be having that anxiety because you're constantly having that chatter going on in your mind or chatter in your mouth. So you're not allowing yourself the benefits of nature. So just for today, be one with nature and find your flow. It might be sitting on a bench meditating. And meditation doesn't have to be some woo-woo type of thing. It can be watching the birds, watching the water, watching the sunset. I mean, that is absolutely amazing. Gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Perfect walking weather. I should have bought my hammock. I haven't tried it out here yet, but I mean, the weather is perfect. I think I'm going to make that happen tomorrow. It's going to be a priority. Self-care. Self-care is so important. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love the way the sun is just casting that golden glow. It makes me appreciate things. Even though I was just in such a pissed off mood, I can bounce back to peace just by being in nature. Being present. I have recorded in that gazebo over there. I love this park. It's so beautiful. I haven't seen the black swans in quite a while, so maybe. Look! That's what I want to do, you see? Look! Hammock! 3 beautiful white ducks. I feel like I can breathe just being out here. Just releasing that stress, releasing that anxiety. Stillness definitely speaks. It's just absolutely beautiful here. The walking trail, you can see it from here. This park is not by my house. The park that I have by my house is nothing like this. It's traffic passing by, it's small. This, to me, is solitude. It's serenity. I'll let us stop recording just to enjoy this moment. It actually looks like fall. an amazing view. I shall definitely return to this spot. Absolutely gorgeous.